Hello, in this video I will show you how to link your Google Calendar with your iPhone calendar. Now it's a very easy process. Just simply go to your settings panel in your iPhone, then just simply search for calendar. Now open the calendar application of your phone. Now over here, you'll find a lot of options, but the option that you're looking for, you have to enable your email addresses in your calendar. So what you have to do is just simply go to your calendar account. Now over here, you will find that all the email address that are currently logged in your phone, you will be able to see all of them right over here. Now make sure that they are checked. As you can see right over here, you can uncheck and check them. So make sure they are all checked, because only then the Google Calendar of that particular email address will be synced with the calendar of your iPhone. So just want to make sure of that. Now there also might be a thing that you have not enabled the synchronization option in your Google account as well. So in order to do that, again, just simply search for Sync or Google Sync in your settings panel. And over here, just go to Account and Sync or Google Sync if you have that. And you should find your Google account somewhere. So click on your Google account. And now right over here, you will have all the email addresses that is currently in your phone. So what you have to do is just simply choose your email address. And over there, you will find calendar option. And if you click on the more option, you will be able to see that you will have the option of Sync Now. So all you have to do is just simply click on Sync Now. And all the data of your calendar, contacts, document, drive, everything will be synced with that email address and the Google Calendar, and will also be shown into your iPhone's calendar. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.